Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. Today's Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. It is 4:25 and 39 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, carbon. So let's jump to it here. The first detection of crucial carbon molecule, date June 26, 2023. Source, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. The scientists detect a new carbon compound in space for the first time, known as a methyl cation, CH3+. The molecule is important because it aids the formation of more complex carbon-based molecules. Methyl cation was detected in a young star system with a protoplanetary disk known as D203-506, which is located about 1,350 light-years away in the Orion Nebula. As carbon compounds form the foundations of all known life, and as such are particularly interesting to scientists working to understand both how life developed on Earth and how it could potentially develop elsewhere in our universe. The study of interstellar organic carbon-containing chemistry, which Webb is opening in new ways, is an area of keen fascination to many astronomers. The unique capabilities of Webb made it an ideal observatory to search for this crucial molecule. Webb's exquisite spatial and spectral resolution, as well as its sensitivity, all contributed to the team's success. In particular, Webb's detection of a series of key emission lines from CH3 cemented the discovery. And this detection not only validates the incredible sensitivity of Webb, but also confirms the postulated essential importance of CH3 in interstellar chemistry. While the star in D203-506 is a small red dwarf, the system is bombarded by strong ultraviolet light from nearby hot, young massive stars. As scientists believe that most planet-forming disks go through a period of such intense UV radiation, since stars tend to form in groups that often include massive UV-producing stars. And typically UV radiation is expected to destroy complex organic molecules, in which case the discovery of CH3 might be a surprise. However, the team predicts that UV radiation might actually provide the necessary source of energy for CH3 to form in the first place. Once formed, it then promotes additional chemical reactions to build more complex carbon molecules. And broadly, the team knows that the molecules they see in D203-506 are quite different from typical protoplanetary disks. In particular, they could not detect any signs of water. And this clearly shows that ultraviolet radiation can completely change the chemistry of protoplanetary disks. It might actually play a critical role in the early chemical stages of the origins of life. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.